Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn about a Shopify point of sale review, and this is a tutorial for beginners. So first is you have to open your web browser and then log into your Shopify account and then make sure that you have selected your store. So now that you're here, as you can see here at the left side, you've got the option under the sales channels, the online store, and the point of sales. You just have to click on the point of sales, and then under the point of sales, you have these different options. So we have here the staff, locations, and the settings. So we'll go through all of these options later on. So here on the point of sales, okay, so this is an overview for this one. So to get started with this step-by-step guide, we have to finish the task. So we have 5 tasks to complete. So here for the first one is we have to set up point of sale. So get the point of sale app. So you just have to scan the QR code or send yourself the link to get the app. So the point of sale app is where you'll make sales, accept payments, and look up customers' info when selling in person. So you can scan this QR code right here. And then for the order hardware accessories, you can also view supported hardware over here. Just have to explore these things. And then the next one is you have to set up your payment provider. So just simply click on this arrow that is facing downward and then just click on set up payment. Okay, and then you'll be redirected to this page right here. And then here you just have to select your payment providers. So just click on the choose a provider. So providers that enables you to accept payment methods at a rate set by a third party. So just click on choose a provider. Then you'd be redirected to this page right here. So you just have to select your third party payment provider. Okay, so once you have selected your provider, is just have to simply click on it. Okay, and then once you're done, just have to click on install. Okay, so after installing your provider, you can also add a supported payment methods over here. So for example, we have the PayPal Express. Okay, so you can also add another one for the payment method. So here you can also add manual payment methods. So just simply click on add manual payment methods. So now let's go back and proceed to the next step. Okay, so you can add a POS staff over here. So now let's proceed to the staff section. So you just simply click on the staff option. Right here, you just have to click on the add staff option, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. Okay, and then right here you have the associate. So 12 of 40 permissions, full permissions, we have 40 of 40 permissions, limited permissions, 12 of 40 permissions. Okay, now we just have to create a point of sale rule. And of course right here you just have to type out the title for this one, and then you can allow all point of sale permissions for this rule or select the point of sale permissions for this rule. So for the manager approval, just have to click on it right here and then click on allowed. And for the checkout, we have the add custom sales. We also have the approval required, so I'm just going to select allowed. And for the edit taxes, you can also allow this one. So just have to scroll down and then read all of this important notice right here, and then once you finalize everything, you just have to click on save. And of course, don't forget to add a title, because you cannot save your changes if you don't add a title right here. So just scroll down once you're done with your title and then click on save. Then now that you have successfully created your point of sales rule, you're gonna proceed to the next setting. So let's go to the locations. So this is one of the important things that you should know. So right here you can see your shop location. So when you click on it, you'll be able to see here the details for your daily sales and for your average sales. So you just have to go to the location details and click on the manage option. Then right here, you just have to create your location name. So give this location a short name to make it easy to identify. You'll see this name in areas like orders and products. So for example, I'm just going to name this location name as Mike Store to make it simple. Okay, that's right. Right here, you have to select your country or your region. So I'm going to select here Philippines, and then your address. So I'm just going to type out a specific address right here for Metro Town Mall, and then you have to type already the apartment, and then don't forget the postal code and then the city. Okay, so right here you just have to select your region. Okay, so this is part of your country, and then for your phone number, first you have to select your country. Then after that, you just have to type out right here your phone number, and then this is your default location. So to change whether you fulfill online orders from this location, you just have to select another default location. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on save. Okay, now that you have successfully changed your location, now let's go to the product section. So right here, you'd be able to see all of your products. So for example, this one, I have my one product over here. So what you're going to do for this product is you have to make sure that the sales channels are enabled. Okay, so right here for the online store, you have to mark this one, and for the point of sale, so right here for the point of sale has not been set up. Okay, so you have to finish the remaining steps to start selling in person or on site. Okay, so to know more details about this notice right here, you just have to simply click on learn more, and then you'd be redirected to this page. So I have showed you this one earlier. So you have to finish setting up everything right here in order for you to start selling in person or on site. So you can use your location, and then of course your physical store. Okay, so just make sure that you have set up everything right here. So when you go back here to your products and click on your product or that specific product, you'd be able to mark this one right here, and then you can now start selling on your physical store. So you just have to make sure that you have fill out all of the important details for your product description, the pricing, the variety, and then the available stocks of your product. So those are the important things or the basic things that you need to know about the point of sales on Shopify. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.